Good afternoon. Uh, Today we will discuss heat treatment processes. So first, introduction to heat treatment. So heat treatment includes heating and cooling operations applied to any material, mostly metals, in order to modify internal structures or alter its physical, chemical, thermal, electrical and mechanical properties. Usually it consists of heating of material to some specific temperature, holding at this temperature for definite period, and cooling to room temperature or below room temperature with specific rate. Means heat treatment, we take one metal piece and we will heat it. Okay, with the help of some furnace we will heat it. Okay, and after some time we will cool down. Okay, means heat treatment is a process where we first heat the metal, then hold for some time or soak for some time, and then we will cool the metal to get metal with some specific mechanical or thermal or electrical properties. So mostly heat treatment processes are used to improve some physical, chemical, thermal, electrical or mechanical properties. Okay, and also it is used to modify internal structures, reduce internal stresses. Okay, so that is heat treatment and purpose of heat treatment. So basically process of heat treatment is, this is temperature versus time diagram. So first A to B, you can see A to B is heat addition process. Okay, means temperature is increased here. Okay, temperature is increasing with respect to time. Okay, so A to B is heating process, means we will heat from room temperature to specific temperature. Okay, mostly we will heat the metals up to recrystallization temperature. Okay, so using some heating media. So what is the heating medium? Heating medium is furnace, okay, or hot bath. Okay, so these are the heating medium. Then B to C, you can see in B to C temperature is not increasing, temperature is constant with respect to time. Means we will hold the metal at that definite temperature. Okay, there will be some fluctuation, but we will keep temperature constant. Okay, means we will keep temperature in a range. Okay, so this is B to C holding or soaking period, means we will hold temperature for some time. So holding material at specific temperature and for some time. Then C to D, you can see C to D is cooling process. Okay, temperature is reduced with respect to time. So C to D is cooling, cool the material from specific temperature to room temperature. Okay, using some cooling medium. So there are number of cooling medium. For example, air is one of the cooling medium. So atmospheric air or normal air. Then forced air, means we will use forced air to cool the metal, or you can use water or you can use oil to cool the material. Then heat treatment of steels. So particularly in heat treatment of steels, heating medium or heating media is air, oil, then salt bath. So air is a non-uniform and slow heating medium. Okay, by using air you can heat the metal, but it is non-uniform and slow heating is observed in air. Then air can oxidize the metal above 850 degrees centigrade. Okay, you already know air contains some moisture, so because of that moisture and oxygen, the rusting can be taken place or oxidation can be taken place of metal. Okay, so first medium is air, then second medium is oil. So oil can give uniform heating and rapid heating. Okay, because density of oil is more, and because of high dense oil you can heat uniformly metal, and rapid heating can be observed or can be taken place at by using oil. Okay, and oil cannot be used above 200 degrees centigrade. Why cannot be used above 200 degrees centigrade? Because oil has flash point, melting flash point. Okay, so above 200 degrees centigrade oil will be oil cannot be used. Because of that, oil will be burnt. Then third is salt bath. So salt bath also provide uniform heating or uniform cooling and fast heating. Okay, it can be used above 200 degrees centigrade. Means by these three methods you can conclude, if I want to heat metal near about 750 degrees centigrade, then heating medium means best heating medium will be air. Then up to 200 degrees centigrade the best heating medium is oil, and if you want to heat metal above 200 degrees centigrade, okay, then the best heating medium is salt bath. So mostly air heating is used in our syllabus. Okay, and salt bath heating cooling is also included. Okay, so these are the heating medium. Next, cooling medium. So cooling medium is brine, cold water, water plus soluble oil, fused salt, air. Okay, so these are the cooling medium, and these are all are in decreasing order of cooling rate. Means if you use air, it will cool metal, for example, in 2 hours. In fused salt 1.5 hours. In oil 1 hour. Oil plus soluble oil means 30 minutes. This is 20 minutes, and this is 10 minutes. Means if you want to cool faster rate, okay, then brine, water plus salt can be used for fast cooling rate, and air is for normal or slow cooling rate. Okay, so these are some heating medium and cooling medium. Means what in heat treatment we have to first heat the metal. So for heating we can use these, and last step is cool the metal. So for cooling we can use these methods.